How to delete your Mobile Legends account on iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So without any further ado, let us begin. First of all, launch your Mobile Legends app, and after you've launched it, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now after you do so, you'll simply need to press on your profile on the top left. This is what I'm talking about. Tap on it. After you do that, you will see an account option on the bottom. Tap on account. And after you're on your account, you can simply head over to your account center. You will see it on the right hand side. Tap on account center. And after you tap on account center, you will see a cancel account option. As you can see the cancel account option, tap on cancel account, and then you'll get redirected to your web browser. So simply go to your web browser and wait for the site to load. And after it loads, you will see apply for cancellation of game account of Mobile Legends. After you read through all of these, just select the checkbox and tap on next. Again, you'll need to do the same. Now here, choose an account that you have used to connect to your Mobile Legends. Now if you have used the Moonton account, use that. If you have used Facebook, just tap on Facebook. If you have used Google Play, you can do that. Just choose whichever you want. After you do so, you will simply need to log in. After you've logged in and verified that it's you, you'll get redirected to another page of Mobile Legends. And there you'll need to just simply go through the terms and conditions and simply confirm your deletion, and then you'll be able to delete your account. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you delete your Mobile Legends account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video.